Are you feeling stuck, undervalued, or anxious about your job security? In 2025, becoming an independent contractor or consultant is more than possible. It's a smart move for professionals ready to take control. But success depends on your industry and location. We'll explore where independent contracting is growing, what skills are in demand, and which job sites to check in your country. This is your chance to research the path forward. Just like Michael did when he broke away from his hospital job and built a thriving tech career. In the US, independent contracting is booming in tech, healthcare, and civil engineering. If you're skilled in digital transformation, infrastructure, or patient care, companies are looking for you. Finance and marketing are also heating up. Check job sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor to see what's trending in your field. Canada is growing fast in energy, data centers, and healthcare consulting. If you have project management or compliance skills, you're in demand. Education and IT are also expanding. Explore LinkedIn, Workopolis, and JobBank for contract roles that match your expertise. In the UK, post-Brexit shifts have opened doors in finance, digital marketing, and IT consulting. If you're adaptable and strategic, this is your moment. Healthcare and construction are also growing. Check LinkedIn, Reed, and Total Jobs to see where your skills fit. Australia is hiring contractors in construction, engineering, and digital services. Rising costs and labor shortages mean companies need flexible talent. Healthcare and education are also expanding. Visit LinkedIn, Seek, and Jora to explore your options. India's freelance economy is thriving in software development, business consulting, and remote tech support. If you're tech-savvy or business-minded, global clients are waiting. Education and healthcare are also growing. Check LinkedIn, Naukri, and Monster India for contract opportunities. South Africa is investing in energy, infrastructure, and compliance consulting. If you have technical or regulatory expertise, you're well positioned. Healthcare and education are also expanding. Explore LinkedIn, PNet, and Careers 24 for contract roles. Ireland's digital economy favors contractors in cybersecurity, fintech, and creative industries. If you're innovative and networked, this is your space. Healthcare and education are also growing. Check LinkedIn, Irish Jobs, and jobs.ie for opportunities. In New Zealand and the Philippines, independent contracting is growing in education, customer service, and software development. Remote work culture is fueling demand. Healthcare and IT are also expanding. Visit LinkedIn, Seek, NZ, and JobStreet, PH to find your fit. If you've got the skills, the world is ready. Independent contracting is growing across industries and borders. You don't have to wait for permission to grow. Just take the leap. If you want to become an independent contractor, freelancer, or consultant, click on the link in the description below to learn more about our program. And remember, check job sites like LinkedIn to see what's trending in your industry and location. Thanks for watching.